Hey, what's up, YouTube? So I've been slowly starting to do some body panel repair. Started cutting into the fender, removing the old, sorry, not the fender, but the rocker. Slowly started chopping out the bad stuff, and I'm gonna be splicing in new stuff. So the first step for me was to get this front piece here. I've started cutting out the spot welds. As you can see along the front pillar, all the spot welds in the new floor pan. And I've cut this piece out of a good rocker, which I'll show you in a second. So I've just started lining this up for sizing. I'm just slowly starting to work my way back. And I've got this good rocker here, but the front piece that you were looking at inside the car wasn't any good, so I pulled out that. I've been using the Blair spot weld cutter kit to cut out all my spot welds. So I've removed these structural supports because I need to put them back in. Cut all those. This guy's probably going to come off next. And again, I've just been locating all the spot welds along here and then drilling them out one by one. This is that front piece at the front of the rocker. It's sandwiched between the inner and the outer rocker on the front. So that'll slip into there once I make my cuts to splice it in on the inside. But that'll go in. I want to get all this painted and protected first, so before I do that. Next, I've also got to cut out these spot welds and figure out, I think I'm going to have to cut this in and re-weld along here. So I can patch up to the dog leg, same thing, cut all this out. Down there, I've got the new fenders. I'll be putting in dog leg and then inner and outer wheel well, which will tie into the back fender. Keep saying fender, but it's not fender. Wheel well and fender. Rear fender removed, cut off. That's it there. I've got a whole new panel to go in here, but first this will allow me to get into my wheel well. I think I'm going to try and just replace this piece, the outer. With this one. Well, that's as far as I'm going to take it for today. I have a feeling I'm going to end up taking this whole inner wheel well out too, seeing as it's already attached to that. Just it's a little bit rustier than I was expecting, and it might just be easier to get on. First test fit of the new rocker. Not bad so far. This will all be coming out as well. That seems to be fitting nice. I've got this piece that'll go in there. Okay, I ended up taking out that whole wheel well, wheel arch. That's the one that just came out. It's a new one that's going to be going back in. Spot welds all cut out there, leaving some on the floor end, which is going to tie into here. Structure's got to come out there, re-weld it in. First test fit. It's all matching up pretty good. Still have to do this guy, but I want to get this welded back in because this is support holding up the roof of the truck. So I want it back in here. I'm gonna start losing the shape of the truck if it starts bending on me. So first test fit's good. Just got to cut this into the right size now and buzz that along here and get that support back under here. Okay, test fitting up the rocker. All right, rocker's pretty much in. Still have to finish up my spot welds and tidy it up. That's in. Now I just got to get this spot here all aligned. Get my dog leg back in. What? Just wanted to see how this was looking. Just clamped in place so I can see test fit and how things line up.